It is chilly. So we did get frost last night, a really light frost. I was like 4 in the morning when I checked my temperature on my phone actually. And it said 31 and I was like, eek, because I was already panicking at 32. But you know, most things aren't really going to be touched or affected. What I was worried about is this guy, tree peony, and boy, you know, it does look a little it looks a little not happy. The buds are kind of, you know, slumped over a little bit, and I don't know, down here doesn't look good either. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully these sort of bounce back. This was hopefully the last frost that we're gonna have. Because everything is really far along. There was one more I wanted to check on. Everything else seems like it's okay. I wanted to check one other tree peony that I've been eyeballing. See the frost on my, sparkling on my vehicle. This is the other tree peony that I was worried about. Actually this one, the buds are still standing. Well, there's a couple that are starting to lean over, but we'll see. That one doesn't look like a total loss, and we'll see how the other one bounces back, hopefully. But at least we made it through the 32, well, the 31 night. Actually, this tree peony looks a little frozen. Eek! Boy, I think if it had gotten any colder, we might have had some problems. We might skate away with a little leaf damage, but I'm glad that's over with. All right, well, we'll see what happens in the next few hours. So out I come to check on everything again. It's warmed up a few degrees. It's now about 8 o'clock in the morning, and check this out. Apparently, tree peonies can survive a light frost because these were totally wilted over and dark green, and guess what? They are standing up strong now. So, you know, again, it dropped like to 31 degrees, at least since 4 a.m. And it took till about 7:30, 8 o'clock for them to come back. So they can tolerate a light frost. Didn't look too happy about it, but they look like they are still ready to go, and the leaves look perfectly fine. So yay! So I guess that will answer my question for the years to come, because I've never actually like recorded temperatures and all that good stuff. I just know I had one really bad year where I did lose everything. But anyway, so everything looks nice. I'm excited to see how this garden shapes up, and we're out of the woods for the cold night. Yay!